Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our backup camera in 2018 Audi A3 that it didn't come with backup camera. That's where we put our backup camera, trunk handle, built-in camera for Audi and Porsche and VW. This Audi A3 came with the factory front and back sensors. So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. And you can see sensors are activated too. If you see the screen is flickering, that's the speed of the shutter that we have, so the screen is not flickering by regular eye. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online directly from 4x4 Shop Canada. Thank you and have a great day.